Have you ever heard of the Maglev Railway in Shanghai? It connects the financial district in Shanghai to the Pudong International Airport. The 30-kilometer trip takes only less than 10 minutes. Do you know what a maglev train is? Why can it travel so fast? A maglev railway is a new type of railway that is very different from traditional railways. In a traditional railway, such as the KCR train in Hong Kong, the train runs on the rails. The friction between the train and the rail limits the maximum speed of the train. As the train is in contact with the rail, a large amount of noise and vibration are produced when the train moves, especially at a high speed. In a maglev railway, the train is supported on a guideway by magnetic force. There is no contact between the guideway and the train. Friction is greatly reduced, and therefore the maglev train can travel at a high speed. For example, the maglev train in Shanghai can travel at a speed of over 400 kilometers per hour. When traveling at high speed, the train is very stable, with very little vibration. Due to the non-contact technology, the train produces very little noise. In fact, a maglev train traveling at 300 kilometers per hour only produces as much noise as a traditional train traveling at 80 kilometers per hour. In a traditional train, the driving force is produced by an engine or a motor inside the train. However, in a maglev train, the driving force is the magnetic force produced by the electromagnets on the guideway. The maglev railway has a very special feature to save energy. As the train travels, only the electromagnets in the section of guideway that the train currently travels are switched on. When the train moves from one section to the next, the electromagnets there are automatically switched on. Therefore, a continuous driving force is provided. As maglev train is fast, quiet, and consumes less energy than traditional trains, it is an ideal connection between cities. Perhaps, in the future, maglev railways can provide an alternative means of transport that enable us to shuttle across cities at the speed of an aeroplane.